Hey everyone. Today we're going to be talking about volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. Some VOCs have been shown to affect your health and the environment without you even realizing it. You've probably encountered them in paint fumes, cleaning sprays, or even that new car smell. But what exactly are they? And more importantly, how do they impact our daily lives? In this video, we'll break down what VOCs are, where they come from, their impact on your health and the environment, how they're regulated, and how you can protect yourself and reduce VOC emissions. First off, what are VOCs? Volatile organic compounds are chemicals that easily turn into gases at room temperature. The word volatile means they evaporate quickly, and organic means they're carbon-based. Characteristics of VOCs include high vapor pressure at room temperature, strong odors, though not always, and their ability to react with other chemicals in the air. Common sources of VOCs include household products like paint, air fresheners, and cleaning agents. Building materials such as pressed wood and adhesives can also contain VOCs, and personal care items like nail polish and hairsprays, or even combustion products like cigarette smoke and car exhaust. Even indoor plants and human beings emit small amounts of VOCs, but synthetic and industrial sources are much more harmful. So how do VOCs affect us? Short-term exposure to high levels of VOCs can cause things like headaches, eye, nose, throat irritation, and nausea or dizziness. And long-term exposure has been linked to liver and kidney damage, nervous system issues, and even certain types of cancer. And VOCs don't just harm people, they harm the environment too. VOCs can contribute to the formation of ground-level ozone, which is a major part of smog. That means more pollution, more respiratory problems, and more stress on the environment. To protect both people and the environment, VOCs are regulated by the government agencies. In the U.S., the Environmental Protection Agency defines the limits of VOCs through the Clean Air Act. They target both individual VOCs classified as hazardous air pollutants and VOCs that contribute to ozone formation. In an industrial setting, testing for VOCs is essential for safety and compliance. Some of the most common techniques include photoionization detectors, or PIDs, for real-time VOC readings, gas chromatography mass spectrometry for lab analysis, or passive samples that measure long-term exposure. Regular testing ensures indoor air stays safe and that industrial operations stay within legal limits. So how can you reduce your exposure to VOCs? In industry, there are a few options. You can choose to upgrade to closed-loop systems, but that can be costly. An alternative would be to switch to low VOC chemistries. They're specifically designed to meet your cleaning challenges while avoiding the use of VOCs. To wrap things up, VOCs are all around us, but with knowledge and smart choices, we can reduce our exposure and protect both our health and our environment. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. You can also email questions or comments to AskDrAdam@Kyzen.com. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new episodes. And as always, stay clean.